Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Versa Note headlight. This easy method requires just a few basic tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your engine is cool before starting any work to avoid burns. This simple process can save you time and money, taking only about 15 minutes per side. Now let's access the old bulb. First, open your vehicle's hood. You will see the headlight assembly clearly. There are two 10mm bolts securing it in place. Carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out easily, giving you clear access to the bulb housing at the back. With the assembly out, replacing the bulb is straightforward. Twist the old bulb about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Oils from your skin can create hot spots on the glass, significantly reducing the new bulb's lifespan. Be gentle during this step. Now, let's put everything back together. Connect the electrical connector to your new bulb, then insert the bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new headlight is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.